Good morning, everyone. Since I wake up really early today, I wake up like around 3 o'clock in the morning. So I decided I really want to do some jogging, like at least twice a week. So we're gonna do running today in the park. So yeah, I'm not even starting running, but I feel like I'm running already. So we're gonna put our shoes on and I'll take you in the park and we're gonna do some running today. I really love this camera. So super nice camera. I'm using the Sony ZV-1. More videos coming up using this Sony ZV-1. This is brand new from Sony. I think they just released it this month. So yeah, let's put our shoes on. Let's see if we can get it here on the floor. And so it's really nice outside. Yesterday I did a film, the video test. I cannot see because it was so hot yesterday and so bright. So the sun is not out yet. Really nice. And yeah, let's do some running today. Let's do some cardio. I should be probably should do what do you call that, stretching first, and let's after that we're gonna start running. The water is still on in the park, and yeah, let's go start running. This camera funny, I'm filming. Hopefully my camera is still okay. Yay. Okay guys, I'm just gonna enjoy running and I'll talk to you later. I forgot to tell you, we're gonna do it super nice right now. We're gonna like do like circle all the way to here, like that, all the way that park. Okay, I'm not even do the entire circle of the park. My heart is beating really fast, so it's really work. Oh, I love this running, but let's continue running, guys. I don't know if my camera like that focus my face because it's okay. Turn off the camera. Whew. Okay, we're almost done. Yeah, the sun is out. Really nice. Do some running. Oh my god. One round. It's killing me already. Last time I do running, that was a long time ago. Like 2 years ago. You know, I have to go back to do some running. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the camera and focus running again. Okay, one round. This is how we start doing running right here on my background. So see you later. Yeah. Alright guys, I did like 3 rounds on the park. My legs is shaking already. And oh no, 3.5 rounds. So my legs is shaking already, and my heart is like beeping so fast, which is good. It's really good to our hearts. Doing cardio, running, help our heart good. I don't know, whatever you call that, but anyways, so I'm heading home. My back is so sweaty already, and the sun is out already, so I decided to, why not to, my eyes is blurry, can't see, why not to try another test of this new camera, because yesterday when I do a video test, it's what do you call that, super bright, and you're not gonna able to see the I mean, you can see the quality of the video, but it's still really bright. But now it's, the sun is not, it's out, but it's not really bright yet, because it's oh, there you go, the sun. It's still early in the morning, like probably it's 6 o'clock in the morning, so it's really nice to look at the sun. And the camera is so soft, I'm blind, I can't see it, but I love this camera. It's worth of money to buy. You have a lot of option. I'm still learning how to play with it, like what do you call that, they have those defocus background. As you can see right now, I think I'm in the defocus background right now, the mood defocus mood, because you can see my background is blurry. You can blur your background if you want, and if you don't like blurry background, you can use that as well. You can change the mode, and also they have those beauty mode. You can change your skin tone, like super nice, pretty, perfect, like skin, which is, I have to learn that too. I have to check the settings. But yeah, I'm just chilling in the park, super nice outside like this around 6 o'clock in the morning, so really nice. That tree behind me, that tree is changed color like orange. That's beautiful small tree. Probably they're gonna change soon, but that tree is really pretty when it changed color, because I have a pictures on that tree 2 years ago. But anyways, let's go head back to home. It's really nice. Oh, I like this camera. I don't have makeup right now because I just woke up and I decided to do some running, but super soft camera. Oops, really soft camera. There you go. Definitely worth of money to buy. And yeah, super soft, clear quality, and yeah, I was with this. It's really long videos. Yeah, another test of the camera. Okay, there's a bird on top of the post. It's so cute. Okay, I've been home like 15 minutes ago, so my legs is, I can feel now it's a little bit shaking doing running. So I'm just relaxing right now. I'm thinking I'm gonna drink coffee, but not right now, maybe later. So I did find the, if you want to change the blurry background to blurry, if you want to change your background to the blurry background, I did find it, but the skin softening, I couldn't find it yet. So I'm gonna show you how the difference when I switch it to blurry background. I want to put my camera a little bit up like that. because I'm slouching. Slouching, you can feel your back is like tired easily. So okay, as you can see, my background is not blurry yet. I'm gonna switch it to blurry background. You'll see the difference of the background. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to blurry background. There we go. And now you can see my background is blurry. See, it's blurry. You can see that is blurry, so you can do that to this camera. And let's switch it to normal mode, not normal mode, that the background is not blurry. There you go, guys. So you can see the difference is not blurry. I can see the details of the cabinet and the microwave and the freezer and then the door. Let's play it again one more time. Change it to the blurry background. There you go, guys. It's blurry, right? So I love this camera. I cannot wait to use it all the time. Well, like, you know, like a daily vlog, or maybe we'll see. I want to try it too for, what do you call it, a sit down video. If it's this camera, it's okay for sit down video too, like doing makeup and something like that. But yeah, I like the blurry background. I do like it. So let's play again. Let's switch it to not blurry background. There you go, guys. So see, it's not blurry. My background is not blurry. And try it again with to the blurry background. There you go. It's blurry. I like the blurry background. I use it all the time, especially when I'm filming a sit-down video. I think just for me, I like it. So, and also one good thing about this camera, this little small compact camera that you can carry outside. Sorry, I'm still like I'm talking like whispering with you guys because there's two people sleeping upstairs, so I don't want to wake her up like talking so loud. And the best part of this camera is you can use a microphone on it. So if you wanna your audio nice and clear, you can put microphone, any type of microphone. It's work because I do try it last night. I do have a Rode microphone that I can put it on the top of the camera, and also on the side of the camera they have those little option that you can use the other microphone, like the cheap microphone that I use all the time when I'm filming sit-down videos. Those have those long wire that you can attach it and clip it to your shirts. So I figured out last night, I tried it worked really good. We're gonna try it later. I'm gonna show you how the audio with using the microphone. It is so nice audio. So this camera is worth to buy. Even they're really small, you can still use a microphone on it. And also they have those, they called wind, to protect the wind noise. You can put it on the top of this camera. I want to show you what's look like. It comes with the camera, but I show you it already for my video that I unboxed this camera. This one, if you want to carry your camera outside, for example, it's very windy, this help to give your audio not super windy, because this is supposed to be for the wind audio. So and then what my favorite parts about over this camera, this camera is really good. And also my favorite, it's like show product showcase. And yeah, it's focus really quick. If you want to show something in front of the lens, it does focus really quick. For example, like this. Like that, so it's focused really good. Let me find something else that you can catch up. Okay, here. Okay, let's try again. I love this mode setting, the product showcase. They called it product showcase. One more time, let's do it, because I need to charge this camera. I don't have an extra battery for this camera, which is I thinking to buy another extra battery for this camera, because if I want to use it like for the whole day, I do have an extra battery. Let's try one more time product showcase. Let's see how it's really quick focusing. Apple. So here's, I want to show you something real quick. There's another more. I want to show you something real quick. One more. One more. One more. So my other camera, normally if I do sit down video, what do you call it? When I'm showing the product, because it doesn't focus right away, like really quick. So what I do, I put my hand and do the product like that. That's why I do all the time to my bigger camera, and which is this camera is have those, they fix those problem, and lot of beauty blogger do the showing their makeup or whatever, they put their hands and show like that. But this camera is really good for that. See, one more. See, I cannot over about this camera mode that they have in this Sony ZB1. They have so many options, so I cannot wait to play more of this. And yeah, the only thing I do not like this is when I put the tripod, I can, if like I wanna put battery on it, I cannot put battery. I have to like take off the tripod because it's blocking the memory SD card slot. So that's it. And other else, it's great. I love this camera, really nice camera. Alright everyone, after I feel so tired right now after doing those running. When I got home, my legs is all sore already. Even when I'm going upstairs, my legs is shaking. So before I'm gonna end this video, I'm gonna show you something about this camera and about this cheap microphone, like long wire, something like that. And yeah, we're gonna try it on, put it onto the side of this camera. Right now I'm not using any microphone, just the microphone from the camera, that just a regular microphone, whatever camera have. I love this cheap microphone from Amazon that I bought. Normally if I do a sit down video, this is I use all the time. And also what is it? And also I realized that I can still use this Rode microphone to this Sony ZB1, even though like really tiny camera, but you can use microphone, which is good for this camera. So I tried it last night, it worked. Just plug it on the top of this camera, it worked, the microphone. And oh, that's super zoom. There you go. Okay, now I have my microphone. It's way different. I love this microphone. It's only I think $9 from Amazon. Really good that they have those long wire that you can just plug it in your search like that. And I have my microphone on my camera, so I don't know the audio what's look like, but hello, hello, hello. Yeah, that's the sound of having the microphone on using this cheap microphone. So I'm gonna try to take it off the microphone. Let's see what's the difference of the audio with no microphone. Okay, I removed the microphone, so we don't have a microphone right now. You will be the judge. Which is better, with no microphone or with microphone on? So okay, I'm gonna put back the microphone again. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching my morning running and also random videos. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload new videos. So oh my god, I love this camera. So bye everyone for now. Bye.